Hello, my beautiful boss playmates. It's me, Akenisha, your favorite boutique consultant, and I am a little annoyed right now because I just filmed this video. It did not save. Don't know why. So now I have to do it all over again. Yay, me. Okay. So, as you all can see, you cannot see my face. I was actually ordering some items for my 5-year anniversary collection that is coming up. And I wanted to show you all a couple of things on Fashiongo. So there are two things I want you all to remember when you are shopping on Fashiongo. One, I want you to shop around, okay? I want you to make sure that you are getting the best price with certain vendors. Certain vendors, let me put my face on the screen so you all can see. I just finished working out, so excuse my twist in my hair. All right. Now, certain vendors just in general, they are available in more than one place. So you have a lot of vendors who will have their own website. They're available on Fashiongo. They're on LA Showroom. They're on Orangeshine. And now Faire is starting to blow up. So a lot of vendors are now available on Faire. If you do not know what Faire is or how to use it perfectly or greatly or whatever, be sure to check a link in my description box so you can see my video all about Faire and how you can use it to buy now and pay later with your merchandise. So I'm going to show you all two things. Number one, I'm going to show you about comparing prices because a lot of times vendors will post their items. I'm trying to think of an easy way to say this. Okay, so vendors will basically, they use their website first. Their website, their home, that's the number one place you should always check because the prices are always going to be lower. They will they will ship to you quicker than you order off Fashiongo or someone else because their priority customers order from their actual website. Okay. So they also post their new arrivals on their websites first. Then they will post it in other places. So as I was going through, I'm going to show you all what I did. I'm going to take myself off my screen now. So in my collection, you all know, obviously, I sell plus size items as well. One of my favorite vendors that I have been using since they opened is the Curve LA, because I actually know this model right here, Chastity, and she posted about a new vendor that she was modeling for. And so I went to their website and I've been shopping with them ever since. I want to say that was about 2 years ago. So there are two items I definitely want to get from them. And I want to see how they're going to fit my plus size model first. So I'm only going to get one pack of them. So this particular dress, I'm not getting this color. I'm getting blue. Black, royal blue, and pink. So it looks like this. That is the one I'm going to get. And then obviously you all saw I'm getting a dress with the cardigan. Now, the dress with the cardigan is $32.25. The dress is $20.75. I was looking at that and I was like, I know normally they do not charge that much on their website. So I was like, oh, wait. Let me go to their website real quick. So I went to the Curve, and here you go. I have those same two items in my cart for $276. I am paying $318. That is how much of a difference? $42 difference, y'all, without shipping. So shipping cost isn't included in here, and then the shipping cost isn't included in here. Now, if I go to my cart, let's look at that real quick, and let's go to checkout. It will show you estimates of the time and the price. So let's say I'm doing ground, which I most likely am. It will be $18 to $27. So $27 added onto that 27 will be $303. Yeah, $303. That's still lower than what I'm paying on Fashiongo, right? However, the only reason why I am still going to order from Fashiongo with the Curve LA is because, as you can see, a lot of my vendors that I'm ordering from have this little orange truck beside their name. So orange truck for the sunglasses, orange truck for the Curve LA, orange truck for To Be Me Fashion with that jumpsuit, and orange truck beside Jeanette Plus, another one of my favorite plus size vendors that I use. This orange truck means that they are members of Fashiongo's consolidated shipping program, meaning that they will all send their items to the Fashiongo headquarters in LA. You know, they're all on the same block. And they will in turn ship all of those vendors' items to me in one package, saving me on shipping, basically. So that is one reason why I'm okay with paying more. Now, if I was just ordering just these dresses and that was it, I would obviously just order them from the Curve LA because that is way cheaper. Now, something else that I will do, you all know I do not order from Gitiwholesale like that. It is very rare that I order from Gitiwholesale. I'm gonna come back on camera so y'all can see me. Them, I have a video all about why I don't order from them, but the main reason why I do not order from them is, even though they have great items, I love their plus size items, especially, is they are severely overpriced and they are severely overused and saturated as well. However, Gitiwholesale is a wholesaler. They are not a manufacturer. That means they get a lot of their items from actual manufacturers. They get their items from the same place we can get our items from, essentially making them the middleman. I don't want to be no middleman. They get a lot of their items from Good Time USA. I can go around to Good Time USA myself and purchase a lot of those same items. However, being that they have more buying power than we do, they tend to buy up a lot of Good Time USA's merchandise. So if you go to Good Time's website now, it's not a lot up there because Giddy purchases majority of it, sells it to us for a higher price. However, I do know two other manufacturers that Giddy gets their items from. So again, I know their items are going to be more expensive. When you are purchasing from vendors, you want to make sure they are a manufacturer. So let's go over to Fashiongo real quick. So in case you don't know how to tell, let's go to the Curve. You're going to go to the vendor. You're going to go down to learn more about us or vendor info, and it will tell you right here if they are a manufacturer. So they do have a lot of items that the Curve has. So the Curve is one other manufacturer that Giddy uses. Okay, I want y'all to keep that in mind. Giddy gets a lot of their items from different sources. Okay, so I'll just let y'all in on a little secret. This also lets you know how long they've been on Fashiongo, and this is their address if you ever want to visit their showroom. All right, so something else that I will do is I will go to Giddy and I will see if they have anything really cute. Let me get back off the screen. I love this particular dress, and it was one other dress that I really liked. Being that I've already shot this video, I'm going to show you the dress that I use as an example. So this particular dress right here was on Giddy's website, as you can tell, because this is their model, but it's a skirt set actually. And as you saw on the Curve, they had where'd it go? It was just up here on their little slideshow they just had. It was just there. So we already know the Curve has this, and I already told you that they get a lot of their items from the Curve LA anyway. And they just, relabel them. So I'm trying to wait until it pops back up so y'all can see it. But I'm going to show you what I do on Fashiongo. So boom, right there. There it is. All right. So what I will do, if I see something on Giddy and I know it's for a fact that it's majority of time overpriced, I will save the photo, go over to this camera, and then I will upload a photo. And Fashiongo has something called Style Match. They will match that photo with other photos on their website. Now, here we go. Giddy has this for, I don't remember how much. I want to say it was $23. Plus size. Let's do sets. This is similar, but this is pants. Oh, they have pants. Man. I'm almost positive it was $23.75 because, like I said, I just filmed this video, and I'm 98% positive that's what I said in the last video because I had it pulled up on the screen. Hold on, let's find it. Uh-oh. All right, I found it. Here it is. So yeah, I was right. $23.75 is how much Giddy has theirs for. Okay. All right. So the Curve has theirs, obviously, which we already saw. Curve Market, that's another place I get plus size items from. All right, so here we go. This is a dress, so we're not looking at that. Skirt set. 21, 19, 21, 25, and 21. So obviously, I'm not going to go to Giddy, okay? Even though it's only $2, $2 adds up. That's six, that's 6 items. So that would be, $23.75 times 6. You're paying $142.50 from Giddy. Let's say you got it from the Curve. It'd be what, 21? Let's make sure though, because they might be cheaper. They might have it cheaper. They might have it cheaper up here than just 21. Let's see. I know this is an older set. This set's been out since last year. So I was going to get it, but then I saw so many other plus size boutiques getting it in, and I was like, don't even worry about it, Shawty. Don't even worry about it. Oh, that's nice. Lord. Okay, there's the dress. Okay. Yeah, so it's $18.50 on their actual website. So, child, yeah, I would go right onto this website. Yeah, that's it, because it has the black and rainbow one there too. Yeah, so they have it for $21 on the website. I'm sorry, on Fashiongo. $18.50 up here, so $18.50. And $111, and then let's say you pay $27 for the most for shipping. You're paying $138, and that's still cheaper than Gitty's little raggedy $23.75 times 6 plus your shipping. Come on, y'all. Do not use Gitty, okay? I keep preaching this. Do not use Gitiwholesale. All right, so make sure when you're doing this with your style match that you're scrolling through and seeing what else is up here, because after a while you're going to start seeing items that are in the same color scheme, so you may end up finding something else that you like. So just make sure you scroll through, see what else they're offering. Sometimes you may find more matches towards the bottom. Don't know why they do that, but sometimes that happens. So something else that I do, I will let's say I do find an item that I like. All right, so I'm going to show you all this. Let's just pick one. I'm gonna do one where I know for a fact we'll find something. All right, so this right here. All right, now I came upon this dress on Curves, on the Curve LAs, and I was like, all right, I know it's most likely cheaper on their website, but I want to see if anyone else has this as well. And I love all these colors. So what I do is I'll go down to Fashiongo Style Match here, and then it will pull up everyone else who is selling this, and I can look at the prices. But make sure, again, that you scroll through, because they may not pull it up. I know for a fact other people are selling this because I've seen it. See how it's not even pulling it up? That's the only thing about Style Match sometimes. It doesn't pull up things like it should, but I know 4 or 5 other vendors are selling this. And see, it's just pulling up things that are that color. So let me go to another. I hate when they do that. There, see? Curve Market has it and Black Pearl. So I'm going to use, sometimes they don't use the right photo for Style Match. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's weird. That's the only thing about them. Maybe I found it off Curve Market first. I can't remember where I saw this dress at first, but I did go through Style Match. See, it's still not pulling up. That's cute. What in the hell? But y'all just saw the difference of price, right? This one was $29.75. The Curve LA had it for 20 something, we just saw. And then Black Pearl, I use them every once in a while, but they are expensive too, because they're a wholesaler. All right. The Curve had it for $28.75. Curve Market $29.75, $27.75 in Black Pearl. But let's go to the Curve LA's website. Let's go to dresses, even though I just saw this. That is cute. I wonder if I got it on my wish list. Sorry if I'm scrolling too fast and it's hurting your eyes. I do apologize. I'm not seeing it, and I know it's newish. Let me go to my wish list real quick. Where is the wish list? Oh, I don't think I added it up here. I didn't. I still want to see how much it is on this site, so I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, here it is. So it's $25 on their site, $4 cheaper on their site. So obviously, I'm gonna get more plus size items, so I'm probably most likely just gonna order from the site, unless I'm doing more consolidated shipping where I don't care. But yeah, so that is the main thing I wanted to show you all. Be sure to shop around. Be sure to use their style match here on Fashiongo, because look, I have two other dresses that I was comparing. Lime Mist has this for $24. Curve Market has this for $25. And I know Giddy has this as well. But yeah, so just make sure, once again, you all are using all of the tools that you are given, especially on Fashiongo, because you can save some money. All right. And again, make sure you look out for that little orange truck so um, that you're going to be able to save money on shipping. All right. So if you all have any questions, be sure to reach out to me on Instagram at royal_aries325. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.